You should wait until you have multiple products to launch your store, your shop on Etsy. True or false?
If you only have one product idea, I might wait. But if you are using the niche-based approach, this answer is false, right? As soon as you have something, put it up. Why? We've talked about this when we debunked the SEO stuff, but you have to have time to rank and time to be put in front of people. And if I wait until I have 10 products, let's say, Scott, my goal is to start making a sale a day in April, right? If I wait until April 1st, because I know between now and April 1st, I'm going to be able to create 10 products, I'm then hoping that all of those products rank right away, rather than spending the time today to create the product, get it up and get it listed, spend a little bit of time tomorrow creating a product, getting it up and getting it listed, right? The sooner I have a product on Etsy, be it 1, 5, 10, 5,000, I don't care, the sooner I have the chance to get sales and perhaps more importantly up front, data, right? If I'm turning on Etsy ads, if I'm ranking or getting any impressions on Etsy, I then have a chance to get a sale and work me towards my goal. If I wait until I have 5 products, 10 products, 20 products, whatever it is, right? And somebody had asked us last week, how many products do I need to be successful? The answer is 1 if it sells really well, right? We have to get something up. The other side to this is not just the like wait and see side, it's more of the momentum side. If I have 1 product up, and I start to see that I have a little bit of success with that, do you not think that that gives me a little bit more motivation to create product 2 or product 3 versus creating product 1, seeing it sitting there in a folder on my desktop and going, yeah, I should probably get 8 more products up or 9 more products up before April if I want to hit my goal. Yeah, seeing that there's traffic, right? It's those little dopamine hits that you get when you play sales roulette and you refresh the Etsy app or you hear the cha-ching, right? There's a reason that sound is built into that app. It's to give you that dopamine hit of saying, hey, you did something good. Now go do more of it, right? It's their way of rewarding you for getting a sale. And it gives you that little dopamine hit. And so if we can take those small steps towards those bigger goals, we're always going to be better off. Hands down, false. If you only have one product idea and you're in a product focused thing, then yeah, obviously you have to wait until the product is done. If you're using the niche based approach, you don't have to wait till you have every product you could create for your niche to launch your store. Launch it with 1, get those impressions, get those early sales, and get that data back. And that will help you understand what other products you should be creating for those 10 products. Do you need new designs, or do you just need more products with the same design on it? If you put it up and it starts selling, well, then that changes how the next 4 or 5 products that you're coming out with are going to be produced, right? Maybe we don't go create more designs right away. I just take that same design that's already selling and put it on a pillow, put it on a blanket, put it on a t-shirt, whatever it is that I haven't done already. Getting that early data, getting those early sales, it's going to give you that dopamine hit. It's going to change how you set everything up. Just get started.
Yeah, no, that's 100% my answer as well. As far as like, are we going to wait? No. And to your point, Chris, it's like one product. Well, that's only one product that you created with that one design. You should be also thinking about that one design getting applied to multiple products. And now what we can do is we can start launching products on a regular basis. So even if you feel like you only have one right now, get that thing out there, get it indexing, because it's going to take time for Etsy to start seeing, okay, is this product, fit for this audience, for this search term? All of those things happen over time. And then it also allows you to start experimenting and start playing a little bit while you're adding more products. But like Chris said, if you don't have a niche that you're going to be serving products to, where you're going to build out products for this niche, like if you're in the fishing niche, if you're in, I don't know, yoga, whatever it is, right? You're going to be thinking about what are those other products, and you're going to be doing your product research around that niche. So that's going to help you. Then you're just going to be launching products, and it doesn't have to be, oh, I got to do one every day. It just means you want to do them as soon as you can, so you can start getting those things indexed, because it will take time to get those indexed. And the quicker you get them there listed, you're going to be able to start getting indexed. So I say, don't wait, get whatever you have done, get it listed and get it up there, because that's your greatest chance of starting to get some sales.